Yeah, as long as I'm meeting those milestones. But
Correct.
it was almost like being a skinny pregnant woman was looked down as like you're hurting the baby by being skinny.
No, I think this whole concept about weight, Namita, is again a cultural overhang. It comes from the days when there was no ultrasound to gauge the health of the
Correct,
child.
correct.
And weight gain used to be seen as a measure to estimate how healthy the pregnancy
Yeah,
was.
yeah.
So it was that if you're putting on weight, then your child is also putting on weight. People don't necessarily understand or realize that at around 28 weeks of pregnancy, the fetus would weigh anywhere between 1 to 1.2 kilos.
Correct.
In the total context of the whole thing, a healthy fetus weighs anything between 2.5 to 3. Anything more than 2 is considered all right.
Correct.
So if you're going to put on 12 kilos and use weight as an index for fetal health, the difference is only 2 kilos.
Exactly.
So if you're putting on 12 kilos, your fetus is actually only 2 kilos, right? So
yeah.
as I said, it's a surrogate
Yeah.
measure
Yeah.
for the health of the fetus,
Got it.
right? We now have ultrasound, which was not existent when weight used to be so emphasized upon.
Right.
We now have ultrasound, and I always tell patients that don't use your weight as a measure for both your health and the fetus health.
Yes.
We have ultrasound, we know exactly how well the fetus is growing. Whether you put on 5, 6, 8, or 20 kilos is not an index of how healthy your child is.
Absolutely. I want to touch on one last question.